Hi, I'm Dr. Dan Butterman, and this is the CDOC's Tip of the Day. I'd like to talk about CEREC Tessera. This is a brand new block that's just come out, and it is really a unique material. It's a great addition to our high-strength glass ceramics. This material is fully crystallized lithium disilicate, and it is mixed with another crystal called Vigilite. And the combination of the two gives us some really unique properties. It's a very aesthetic material, and it's a very high-strength material. It's generally going to be used in molar or anterior situations. The high strength allows it to be used possibly in some places where zirconia may have been a choice. This material requires 1 millimeter of reduction, and that allows for a very easy design proposal. The material mills really nicely. The margins are incredibly stable with this. The claim to fame for this material is that we're going to be able to put it in the speed fire, and we do need to glaze this with either a spray or a paint-on glaze. We can characterize it a little bit as well, but the oven time is incredibly fast at just over 4 minutes to fully enhance and strengthen this material. Once the material is removed from the oven, it's going to go through the typical bonding process with hydrofluoric acid and silane, and we can place that in. And now we have a brand new additional material to our high strength glass ceramics, and it is the highest strength glass ceramic that we have available with an incredibly quick total overall working time. I hope this information was helpful, and if you would like to see more, please visit us at cdocs.com. Thank you.